Yeah, girls. So today we are going to discuss about work, power, and energy. Work, energy, and power ICs. So in this, I want to discuss something about related to work first. Today we'll discuss in this video only about the work in detail. Girls, what do you mean by work? Work is product of force and displacement. Work is a product of force and displacement. Work is equal to F into S cos theta, Fs cos theta. And since displacement and force are vector quantities, do you know what are vector quantities? They have both magnitude and direction. Even work is a vector quantity. Work is a vector. What is a vector quantity which has both magnitude and direction? Okay. Now work is equal to force into displacement. What is force? We know ma. Force is nothing but ma from Newton's second law. What is mass? Mass means kgs. What is acceleration? Meter per second square. Okay. And what is distance? Displacement meters. So it is nothing but kg meters into meters, meter square per second square. So the dimension formula turns out to be dimension formula m l square t minus 2. M is mass, L is length, T is time. M because one m is there, L square because m square is there, T minus 2 because second minus 2. That is dimension formula. So girls, what is work means? If there is a box on the ground, if you apply force, compulsory it should move. If you apply force, it should move in the direction of force. That's all. If it doesn't move, how much 1,000, 2,000 throughout the day, if you are pushing and you are sweating, and if you're doing hard work, whatever you ate also got digested, and you did literally sweating on that day, even then, according to physics, your work done is zero because it did not move. If you are applying force, it should move. If you are applying force, it should move. If you are applying force, it should move. Then only work is said to be done. So, what are the factors of the work till now we discussed? Just check it out. So, what is the definition of work? Work is defined as product of force and displacement. Work is defined as product of force and displacement. Dimension formula is ml square t minus 2. And units are kg meter square per second square. Instead of saying every time kg meter square per second square, we can just say joules. One joule. Okay, joules. So children, one joule means what? 1 kg into 1 meter square into 1 second square. 1 kg means how many grams? 1,000 grams. 1 meter means how many centimeters? 100 centimeters whole square into second square. So 1,000 into 10, 100 square is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters square second square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 to the power of 7 grams centimeter square second square. So 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs. Children, what is joule in SI system? Same as ergs in CGS system. Our system of units are divided into SI system and CGS. SI means MKS, CGS means girls, MKS means meters, kg, second. CGS means centimeter, gram, second. So in CGS system, joules are called as ergs, and in SI system, one unit of work is work. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs. Don't ever forget how I derived also, you see, and learn this derivation 10 times. If you learn only, you will become perfect. If not, you will not become perfect. 1 joule is equal to how many ergs? 10 to the power of 7 ergs. How we got? 1 kg is 1,000 grams. Meter is 100. 100 whole square is 10 to the power of 4. Like that we got. 1 joule means relationship between SI and CGS system is 10 to the power of 7. Relationship between SI and CGS is 10 to the power of 7. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs. Okay. So till now, what I discussed, just to see here, I told you that work is equal to product of force and displacement into cos theta. What is cos theta? I will tell you, don't worry. and this is a vector quantity I told, and its units are joules in SI system and ergs in CS system I told, and 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs also I told you. Now I want to say you that if force is applied only, if it is moving only, then force is. Now children, I want to define what is 1 joule. If anyone asks you what is the definition of 1 joule, so work is equal to force into displacement. Yes or no? So 1 joule is defined as when 1 newton of force is applied, if a body displaces by 1 meter, then it is called 1 joule. Simple. Again I am saying, if a 1 newton force, if a 1 newton force displaces body by 1 meter, if 1 newton force displaces body by 1 meter, then it is called 1 joule. 1 joule definition. Or someone will ask you what is 1 erg definition. 1 erg. 1 erg. Same children, same, no rocket science in that. 1 erg is defined as if 1 dyne force displaces body by 1 centimeter. If 1 dyne force displaces body by 1 centimeter, it is called 1 erg. 1 erg. Okay, that is you define unit of work. If they ask, you should define 1 joule. Define unit of work. If they ask, define 1 joule. 1 joule. If 1 newton displaces body by 1 meter. If 1 newton of force displaces body by 1 meter. If 1 newton of force displaces body by 1 meter. 1 into 1, 1. That is called 1 joule. 1 joule means what? 1 newton force should displace body by 1 meter. That is called 1 joule. Okay, children. So till now, what all we discussed. So I told you that is work is a product of force and displacement into cos theta, and I said it is vector quantity. Dimension formula is ml square t minus 2. SI system it is joules, and CS system it is ergs. And I said 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power of 7 ergs. And definition of 1 joule I told, definition of 1 erg also I told. Now types of work. There are different types of works. Positive work is there, negative work is there, zero work is there. Can anyone say what is zero work, girls? Those who understood what is zero work, girls? Girls, can anyone?
So when there's no displacement.
Very good, fantastic, very good, very good, very good. If body not moving on application of force, on application of force, it is called zero work. Apart from this, in physics point of view, if W is equal to Fs cos theta. If cos theta is 90 degrees, what is cos 90, anyone? Girls, cos 90 how much?
0.
0. When is it possible? When is cos? When a person, imagine a railway porter is there. He is walking on the rail. He will hold his luggage on the head. All the mass will be acting downwards, and he is moving like this. The angle between force and displacement is 90 degrees. According to physics, railway porter is doing zero work. But if you say you have not done any work, I won't give money, means he will slap us. That is different issue. According to physics, the angle between his entire force and his displacement is 90, and 90 degrees is zero. According to physics, a railway porter is not doing any work. If he's standing, also not doing any work. If he's moving, also not doing any work. Because cos 90 also 0. If it's not moving, where is the z displacement also 0. This is 0 work. When is 0 work possible? When cos theta is 90 degrees. Then you will get doubt. What is cos theta, sir? Cos theta is angle between force and displacement always. What is cos theta? Is the angle between force and displacement. The angle between force and displacement is cos theta always. Okay. So what is 0 work? If cos theta is 90 degrees, then that is said to be 0 work. If cos theta is 90 degrees, that is said to be 0 work. Then what is positive work? Can anyone describe what is positive work, girls? Girls, what is positive work? You are applying force like this. Body also moves like this. That is positive work. Why positive work, sir? You will ask. Why means F is also and S is also in the same direction. What is the angle between them? What is the angle between them? Between F and S, what is the angle? Anyone? What is the angle between F and S? 0 degrees. W is equal to Fs cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Maximum work is done when F and S are in same direction. Suppose no sir, I will apply 30 degrees. I will apply force at 30 degrees. Sir. Okay, your wish apply. Then I will do what I will do. Suppose you are applying 10 newtons. Say it is moving 3 meters at 30 degrees. So I will do 10 into 3 into cos 30. I will do my wish. So 30 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. You all know very well. So answer is 15 root 3 joules. I will say. Simple, children. So what is positive work? What is positive work? Positive work means force and displacement are in same direction. That is called as positive work. And last but not least, what is negative work? Yes, girls? What is negative work, girls? If body
Sir,
is
voice.
If body is moved like this, force applied, it should move in opposite direction. Does it happen? Will it happen? Will it happen?
No, sir.
It will happen. It will happen. You pull the body like this. You pull the body like this. So body will move like this only. But your frictional force will act in opposite direction. Frictional force. So work done by frictional force is 180 degrees. Between displacement and frictional force it is 180 and cos 180 is equal to -1. So work is equal to negative. You will get answer. When is work negative? If F and displacement are in opposite direction. A person is moving on the ladder. A person is moving on the ladder holding luggage. His mass is down and he is going up. So force and displacement are at 180 degrees. Cos 180 is -1. Negative work is done here. Negative work. When force and displacement are in opposite directions, negative work is done. When force and displacement are in opposite direction, negative work is done. So this is negative work. Okay, children. So what I told first the definition of force, Fs cos theta. Then I told dimension formula ml square E minus 2. Then I told vector quantity. Then I told relation 1 joule is to 10 power 7 up. Then I told 1 joule relation. Then I told 1 erg. Then I told positive work, negative work, zero work. And also I told how to derive 1 joule is equal to 10 power of 7 ergs, how to derive also I told you. And units are, all these things I told. Positive work examples when force and displacement are in same direction. Negative work when force and displacement are in opposite direction. Zero work when force and displacement are at 90 degrees to each other. So this is something about the work where cos theta is angle between force and displacement. Cos theta. This is work is equal to Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. Okay, children, they will be giving like small sums like if force is 10 Newton, displacement is 10 Newton. If angle between force and displacement is 60 degrees, find the work done. So what will be the formula? Fs cos theta 10 into 10 into cos 60. 10 into 10 into cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. So 50 joules of work is done. No, I want answer in ergs if someone say 50 into 10 to the power of 7 ergs. And remember it is a vector quantity. Which direction it is going also it's very important. So this is magnitude, this is units and direction also very important. Okay children, this is about work in detail. So definition of work is product of force and displacement. Okay, product of one definition of 1 joule when 1 Newton force displaces body by 1 meter is called 1 joule. What is one definition? When 1 dyne force displaces body by 1 centimeter, it is called 1 erg. And you have to do some sums on the numericals on the work. Then only you understand about the work. This is about the work at nutshell. And along with the notes, I will send the video. You practice this, and we have to do some numericals on the work also. Then only you will understand. If you don't do numericals, you won't
Okay, sir.
understand.